One of the.
How all these things get related to a women member being there?
Yeah, I mean the fact that as far as the decisions that were given over there, I have the statistics with those decisions. I mean there were 24 so-called decisions which finally ended up in the the offender being ultimately being acquitted due to the fact that the mitigating factor was being given maximum importance. But having said that, it is only related to that 100 sampling size that I mentioned. So it is not conclusive. Obviously, it's a starting study. So once we finish it off, at that point of time, we'll be in a position. I mean, it's more of a question that this woman member basically is supposed to actually, carry out that mandate of the legislature, saying that this is a more of a rehabilitative forum rather than a punishing forum.
That's what we are talking about in the criminal reform. That
Right.
more of rehabilitation and less of punishment. So they are going the right way.
They are going the right way, right? But the fact is that presently there has not been a study.
Do you have any conclusion?
Yeah, so I'm just ending off here are the two cases. I am not just giving the reference. Kushal Rajput's case and Shambhadu's case itself. It has been seen over here that even the woman member is not in a position to generally influence the board wherever there are a question of habitual offending. I mean, obviously the person has not been reformed. So ending of over here, if this is a very preliminary study. Once I get the final result itself, these are some certain recommendations based on the initial study. Obviously, final study can give a much better position because unless the entire JJB forum they are completely fulfilled, because there are a lot of so-called cases in Bengal. Out of this 23, there are at least 45% of the so-called JJBs which are not being fulfilled because there are certain qualifications that are being required. The social workers had not been filled up till the qualifications being met. So unless that happens, the final picture we cannot get. So
I just have one question.